Well, hello and welcome to this episode of What's New Saline. I am your host and SCTN station manager, Essie Enriquez. And these are some cool events happening in Saline this March. So, let's start up with the Saline Craft Show, happening March 14th at the Saline Middle School. This show will feature handmade products by crafters from 7 states in the categories of clothing, jewelry, wood, knitting, crocheting, floral, hand-painted and toll painting handmade products, and of course, much more. Admission is only $5 per person, and children 5 and under get in for free. On the same day, you can also visit the Saline Winters Farmers Market located inside of Liberty School from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Of course, if your lifestyle is on your mind, then you don't want to miss out on getting together with like-minded people for the Home, Garden, and Lifestyle Show located at the Washtenaw Farm Council grounds on March 21st and 22nd. This event is a great opportunity to connect with trusted professionals or simply find inspiration and information to help you with your projects. If music is more of your thing, then we ask you to check out the Saline Fiddlers, who will be putting together their hometown show on March 21st at 7 p.m. Tickets are only $10 to $15 and will be held at the Saline High School Performing Arts Center. If your soul is keeping you from going out and having a bit of fun, then get to this next wonderful event on March 29th from 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. located at the Saline Middle School on North Maple. The 8th annual Spring Enlightened Soul Expo will have over 150 vendors of holistic and metaphysical products and services, card readers, mediums, energy work, crystals, jewelry, essential oils, CBD oils, and all kinds of holistic, health, and metaphysical offerings. So, get your soul some energy and we'll see you there on the 29th. Of course, life sadly sometimes throws unexpected obstacles your way. And it's always good to have good people around who care and can make a difference. With that being said, we would love for you to think about joining Saline Lectronics on March 28th at 8:30 p.m. for a night dedicated to helping out one of our own in this community. Now, Andy, who was recently diagnosed with lymphoma, is a phenomenal and loved employee. Next month makes his 10th year working in Saline. He is currently undergoing chemotherapy and will be out of work for several months. The $15 admission price will cover the cost of 2 bowling games at Maplewood Lanes. There will also be pizza and a raffle taking place. If you have any questions about this event, please contact the email below. The proceeds, of course, will go to helping out Andy and his family. That is all for this episode of What's New Saline. If you have any other events that you want featured in one of the future episodes, please make sure to let us know in the comments down below. I hope you have a great month, and we'll see you soon.